Nabota City Mayor Toby Tiangco has learned a new skill during the pandemic. He can now cut his own hair.
Okay, ganito pala ito. Pag mahaba buhok, ang tagal.
He made the video while doing it using a trimming device attached to a vacuum cleaner.
Okay, natuto na po tayo. Kaya tingnan nyo, napaiksi na natin yung kabilang side. Dapat pala, hindi pa pwedeng ginaganin ganyan. Dapat pinapatalbog-talbog ang pagputol dito para maayos ang pagputol.
At the end of the video, he showed the before and after photo. Netizens cheered for Tiangco's accomplishment, including actress Dawn Sulweta. One netizen had this proposal to Tiangco. You see, the mayor is also skilled in the Kilay is Life category.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.